Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today I will share with you one of the most important topics of calculation of Form 16. Actually, those who are working in a accounts division of any organization, you have to prepare Form 16 of all employees. So this Excel will help you enormous service and it will provide you all the inputs of calculating Form 16. It is the most suitable way and very easiest way to operate. I hope you will like it. So let's start. So let's start with our Excel. This is the sheet that is sales summary. Here, summary of salary of individual employees are here. Actually, there are the list of employees and this is the basic and other data related to the salary structure. For example, is Ghosh. That is the basic salary 41,624, HRA, LTA, MRA, allowance 1, leave salary, allowance 2, allowance 3. There are 5 to 6 types of allowances are there. Transport allowance, other allowance. So I have given a lot of options which you should utilize according to your need, according to your pay structure. So what you have to do, you have to fill up the data over here of individual employee according to their CTC. So what you will get? You will get total gross salary for the month. Now I am coming the deduction part. You have to deduct PF. You have to deduct professional tax. So total deduction is this. Net salary is here in column U, that is the net salary. Next I am coming what we are doing at the end of the year, that is what is their basic entitlement of different types of tax deductions. Suppose 80C, this gentleman is entitled to get full benefit, that is 1,50,000, that is under 80C. So you just put 1,50,000 over here. Otherwise you can put whatever the limit according to rule he should get, that you can put over here. Next is 80D, medical allowances under medical insurance scheme, MRA, house rent and other benefits. Next I am coming housing loan. If an employee have a housing loan, generally that unit or department is giving the certificate on December and so on. So you can take the what is the principal amount and what is the housing loan amount. Interest part. So automatically you will get the full pay structure of details of employees. Now what have to do? You just take a copy of this name is Ghosh over here and in next sheet calculation you just press this is Ghosh. Every details, every calculation you will get, you will find out what is his total tax for the year and what should be the monthly tax. For example, it is already copied over here is Ghosh. Now I am coming to next man, P. Banerjee. I am copying P. Banerjee and in calculation sheet I just press P. Banerjee over here. So every details of P. Banerjee is getting calculated here. So you will get the Form 16 part. Now the thing, what you have to do, you have to select P. Banerjee, copy, and there is a separate page of P. Banerjee. You just press the P. Banerjee over here. Similar way, all the employees, there is a separate sheet P. Banerjee, N. Chandra, S. Pramanik, P. Sarkar, and so on. Everybody's separate page is there. What you have to do, you have to take the name from here and you have to place the calculation sheet. So it will calculate whole everybody's income according to their individual pay structure. And you have to paste this in the separate identified page of that employee. From that individual page, it will come to the control page. So this is as goes, total tax is this, monthly tax is this. So now you have to make your plan how you will get the tax deduction, whether it should be monthly basis. I have equalized. Just for example, 93,595. So per month it is coming 7,800 rupees tax deduction. So I have equalized like that. Every month I have to deduct like this. So total is 93,600. So if it is matched, if it is less than the demanded tax amount, so automatically the direction will come stop. Next man is P. Banerjee. His total tax should be 1,98,162. So per month it is coming near about 16,500, and equalized amount we have deducted per month. Maybe some person can deduct in a higher side or lower side, but it should match at the end of the year. So automatically you can make your plan. You can guide all the individual employees to deduct tax according to their pay structure. So next man is N. Chanda. His monthly deduction should be 20,138. So I have to copy all these things and make a. So you see there is 0, no balance is there. So whatever the planned tax that he has deducted every month, and here the stop, either stop or 0 it will show. So no amount should be deducted. There are some minus figures. Minus figures means they are not taxable employee. They need not to make any payment of tax, and accordingly you can issue the form 16 over there. So this is the basic calculation sheet and control sheet. What you have to do again and again, you have to fill up these area, and you have to make this name, and you have to paste over here in calculation sheet. You will get the all details and every data. So I hope it will give you the full benefits of calculation of tax and preparation of form 16. Thank you. So hope you have understood the whole file and you can get the full advantage of preparation of form 16. It's really a laborious job. Not only a laborious job, you have to accommodate a lot of papers, documents, employee wise, for giving them the proper deductions as per rule. And from employee part also, they are very much interested to know what should be their tax deduction monthly basis, so can they make me able to make a plan to submit the tax quarterly. So it will help you in enormous way, and I hope so you will enjoy this file. So request all of you to subscribe my channel. Earlier video I have also given you how to calculate tax on your own salary, that is the tax planning part. In my earlier video I have already given. So all these videos will give you the full benefits, and it will really help you to get the thing done most easiest way. So thank you again and again. Please share it and press the bell button so the notification should come in time. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.